just want to make a quick note. When you're working on a transition on a house, and this is what you call a transition, when one pitch changes to another, or a porch ties into the roof, this stuff right here, this 12-inch beer can stuff, that's not going to stop a leak. I want you to look down through here, and if you'll notice, the new roof stops right here. I can tell it because that nail they put right there is indented into the deeper than this piece of plywood that they have, so there is a dip here. You can never put nails anywhere in this area, and they're all down through here. Everywhere, nails. Right where it dips the most and where it's going to hold water. That's where it's going to hold the water at, and that's where the water's going to go right into your house. Your brand new, just got done house and leak. So I use the aluminum flashing 2-foot wide, and I make sure that no nails whatsoever get put into this area. That would be a no-no. And on this particular one, when they did it all the way down through, and of course it leaked. Heck, I just broke that shingle loose right there. And all that freaking water underneath that. Yeah, ton of water, leaking like crazy.